The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro SS350 is a tribute to an era of muscle car excellence, blending modern performance with a nod to its storied past. As Chevrolet nears the end of Camaro's production run, the SS350 stands as a celebration of heritage and innovation. Under its sculpted hood lies a 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating 455 horsepower and 455 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse offers a visceral driving experience, whether paired with the standard 6-speed manual transmission or the optional 10-speed automatic, ensuring enthusiasts can choose their preferred connection to the road. The 2025 Camaro SS350 is designed with precision and performance in mind. Its aggressive styling captures attention with a bold front fascia, striking LED headlights, and a sculpted grille. Aerodynamics play a significant role, with functional air vents and a rear spoiler enhancing stability at high speeds. The wide stance, complemented by 20-inch alloy wheels, underscores the Camaro's athletic posture, while Brembo brakes provide stopping power that matches its ferocious acceleration. Inside, the Camaro SS350 combines driver-focused technology with modern comfort. The cabin features premium materials, bolstered sports seats, and an intuitive layout. Chevrolet's latest infotainment system is accessible via an 8-inch touchscreen, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. For audiophiles, the available Bose Premium sound system delivers crisp, immersive audio, enhancing every journey. The driver's cockpit is further elevated with a configurable digital instrument cluster, providing key performance metrics at a glance. Safety is not overlooked in the 2025 Camaro SS350. Advanced features like forward collision alert, lane change assist, and rear cross-traffic alert come standard, ensuring peace of mind during spirited drives.